So this is the biggest room of the house. This is the master bedroom. And guys, now I will show you my walk-in closet. So guys, this is quite messy right now. This is actually a walk-in closet. You can go inside and you can put your clothes. We are still waiting for our bedroom set, which has the chest drawer, where I am going to keep most of my clothes. So I will definitely share with you again that how big is that.
Where will I keep my stuff?
You have other 2 rooms. So guys, as you can notice, this bed we forgot to share in the furniture bank video, but this is something we also got from the furniture bank, and this bed is going to go in the other room, and here the king size bed is arriving, and this room is huge as you can see. So we are planning to furnish it with a dresser and then an accent chair and maybe a study table. So right now things are in process. So this is how it looks right now. Guys, as you can see, this room is again on the park side. So I have heard from the seller that once the snowfall begins, then the nights are also going to look like day, and I'm really excited for that, and I will definitely share it with you when the snowfalls begins. Window. So this is going to be exciting when we open both the curtains, and this is going to be very beautiful. I'm pretty excited.
Gagan, what about that tape over there?
Actually, this thing, as you can see in the window, this net is a little torn. So we have just fixed it so that the mosquitoes do not come in. But I am also doing a DIY on this. I am fixing the window nets myself. So I am going to show you that how to do it in some other video. And we have an ensuite bathroom. Is for the storage, both sides, and there is a lot of makeup stuff. I am a makeup freak. Let's go to the second bedroom. So Gundeep has made it his workstation, and sometimes I also shoot videos in here. But this is not gonna last longer because this is going to become the second bedroom, and all the stuff is gonna go in the third bedroom. Guys, this room is also very bright, and we have a huge window from where a lot of sunlight comes in. And in this room as well, there is one closet. Here Gundeep has kept his jackets. This is not a walk-in closet, but still very spacious. Now moving on to the third and the final bedroom. And as you can see, this is a closet, but Gundeep has hijacked it, so he has 2 closets. So this room also has a window, and this is also very beautiful. This faces the front of the house. I won from CNE. And now moving on to the second washroom. And there is one more closet in our house, and generally on the second floors you get these closets. So this is for the extra bed sheets and bed covers and all that stuff. So this is how it looks. So guys, now we are going to the basement. It's a studio basement, so voice might echo. And we are planning it to furnish in the long run because we might rent it out. But right now we don't have any plans because of the COVID situation. So let's quickly move on to the basement tour. So at the entry of the basement, we have our laundry room and it's quite big. Let's tour the rest of the basement. Generally basements are very dark, but we have taken care of it in a very good way. I will show you how.
Guys, we have switched positions, but as Gagan was mentioning, some of the basements are really dark, but this one we have taken care of by ample amount of pot lights throughout. On my right, you see at the extreme corner, it's full of pot lights, and same is on my left. That is the beginning of the basement where washer and dryer is. So guys, this is a huge rec room. We can make it as a bedroom with a side space here for study or office workspace, or also we can make it a big theater room. As the pot lights show, like it will be really good. This can be a nice projector space. What do you think, Gagan? We can bring our recliners downstairs and it can be a nice theater room.
Yes, we can do that. And now I will take you to the corner where the study table could be set up.
This is a place on right for bed, and this is a place which is a huge corner. Right now, in camera it might not be visible, but it's nice space where you can adjust a table. But my voice is very echo, so I'm sorry about that. Coming to the next important part, this is a furnace area. In the beginning of video, there is a thermostat that was the heart of the building or the house. That thermostat controls the furnace. Now let's see the washroom. I'll switch on the lights.
So guys, these are the dimmable LEDs.
This has to be a theater room, Gagan.
No. Guys, this is a huge storage space just below these stairs. So this area is really important to keep the extra stuff. Guys, this was our house tour.
Guys, hope you guys liked it. Thank you so much for all your support till now, and we want to thank you from the bottom of our heart. We were getting so many requests from you guys on Instagram, on YouTube for our house tour, and we had to record it before we set up our complete house, before the new furniture arrived. But I hope you guys will like it.
And if you have any questions, any comments, any suggestions, you can just leave the comment in the comment box. And please like the video and please subscribe to our channel,
Canadian Dreams and Canadian Dream Vlogs, and also mention in the comment section which is your favorite part in the house. Either it's basement, it's the bedroom, or my workspace, which is really lovely because It's huge and the light is amazing.
And this is it for the video. And we will see you in the next video. Till then, take care, stay safe, and
Bye bye.